Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Akanksha Thakur, oral and maxillofacial surgeon. So today I will talk about wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth are the third set of molars which erupt from the age of 17 to 25 years. So when they erupt into the oral cavity, they cause certain problems such as jaw pain. There'll be a vague pain in your jaw. You will not able to point out where exactly it is coming from. In most of the cases, wisdom teeth they don't come into a proper position. Either they'll be if it is a upper wisdom tooth, usually it will be twisted to your cheek side, okay, or if it is a lower tooth, again it will be covered with the gum tissue completely, or slightly a part of it will be seen. So you most of the time wisdom teeth come with such problems. Very few people have all the four wisdom teeth, and I mean they have all the 32 teeth. They don't have any issues with silicone. So when the wisdom teeth is impacted, that means it means that it does not have enough space to come into the oral cavity. So that is when it will create problems. It can cause jaw pain, it can cause cavity, it can cause pocket formation, and there will be limited mouth opening. So what happens when a tooth is impacted? Say for example, if it is an upper wisdom tooth, usually they'll be tilted towards your cheek side. So whenever you're opening and closing your mouth, you have a cheek bite. Your wisdom tooth is rubbing against the cheek. Because of the friction, you develop ulcers and cheek bite. So in such cases, it is better to get rid of them, get them removed. There is no harm in removing the wisdom teeth. So if it is a lower wisdom tooth, so lower wisdom tooth are usually covered with gum, like the back part of it, because they did not completely come out. Only a part of it will be covered with the gum. So when they are covered with the gum, what happens is whenever we eat something, or these food particles go and get stuck, and there is a pocket formation between the gum surface and the wisdom tooth. And these food particles they go irritate the gum, and there'll be inflammation around this wisdom tooth. So you'll have pain, swelling, limited mouth opening, and a severe pain which can radiate towards your ear and also cause headaches. So when such is the case with the lower wisdom teeth, it is better to get them removed so that these problems are not repeated, and they don't form any cavities and affect the adjacent teeth also. There is no harm in removing your wisdom teeth, either it is upper or a lower wisdom tooth, if they are not in a proper position. Unless and until they do not cause any problem or they are properly aligned, we need not remove them. Thank you.